Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here, as you can see, still working on the 1982 Pontiac Trans Am. I still got to weld up the battery tray where I left off last time and continue to get everything ready to pull out the engine. But before I continue, I couldn't help myself. I got a great opportunity at an auction to pick up another 1982 Trans Am, and that's what I'm about to show you right now. Here it is. I have another 1982 Pontiac Trans Am T-top. The only difference between the two is that this one, the previous owner already yanked out the OEM engine and transmission and threw in a Cherry 350 small block with a turbo 350 transmission. So this one now is gonna lean towards like a custom build, something that I'm not too worried about, since this is a non-matching car. In other words, the VIN numbers and everything. So this is gonna go. I'm gonna continue to work on this one first to get that going. But this one, on the other hand, is 99% OEM. Everything is factory. I even have the hubcaps that come with it. I mean, everything. That was a deal. The only thing I'm gonna say 99% because the radio looks like it was upgraded in the 80s to one of those two knobs cassette decks thing. So I'll show you that now in a minute. The only thing, this car has not been started since 1998. I was checking the records and everything, and I don't know if it runs. I bought it sight unseen. It was delivered. I have footage of when it got delivered. I had a couple of tires that were flat, so the tow truck driver pulled up next to the garage. Luckily, they hold air, so I was able to put air with the air compressor and air him up. And he literally just pushed me off the ramp, and I was just like, lucky I didn't go into the intersection. After that, then I just pulled it around with my truck. I tied it to the tow hook and pulled it around and parked it. And finally, me and my brother-in-law managed to push it in here into the garage. This is where it sits right now. I haven't done nothing to it. Um, I'm gonna go in there. The first thing I'm gonna tackle is probably the fuel system. I know for a fact that the carb is probably gonna need a rebuild since it sat for so long. So that's probably where I'm gonna start on this one. But for now, let's do a quick walk around. I'll show you the car, and then we'll take it from there. So here it is, 1982 Pontiac Trans Am. It's all original turbo wheels. I have the caps. It does have body damage right here. The door might need to be replaced, or maybe an outer skin. I gotta see what I'm gonna do about that. It does have rear disc brakes, which is rare in these cars. I think it'll be a good fixer-upper. Completely stock. As you can see, the grills are broken, typical of these 1982 Trans Ams, but I'll get them replaced. As the original wheels and tires. The tires are dry rotted, so they will need to be replaced. Some chips and stuff here. And the T-top areas, I already noticed. I'm probably gonna do some cut and weld there. And over here, as you can see. But not bad at all. And right here has also, looks like a dent that started off. But it's all surface rust, it's still good. So I'll be able to repair this. And, you know, pull it out. Bodywork it, you know, look fine. The wheel wells look okay, there's no rust. It has a little bit of rust right there. Sorry for the lighting. The back looks good. Here on the side. As you can see, it's pretty solid. Everything else looks good. And the front fender, I believe when they towed it to the auction, since that tire loses air the most of all of them, it was pretty low, so I don't know what happened, and they got hit right here. But it's still repairable, so I'll be able to repair it. I just need to get a new vent. They lost the vent, unfortunately. But overall, everything's here, fully stocked. I just love these third gens. I don't know what it is, but maybe because I was an 80s kid, 90s teen. This was the cool car back in the day when I was young, even though they're not a million horsepower, but you know, it is what it is. Door panel looks good. This is the charcoal interior. I just got some baking soda there for some of the moisture. It does come with the power seat. And let me get some lighting for them. Has the good old dash. OEM. Has just a few cracks on top. Nothing serious. Probably could be fixed. Has the PMD seats. Charcoal color as well. This is the radio I was talking about that they upgraded to. That's block pump. I guess that was the thing back in the 80s. They took out the OEM. Besides that, everything else is factory. And it looks pretty good. The liner needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Yeah. There's the rear seats. The rear mirror, of course, fell off. I have to reattach that to the windshield. That's no big deal. And let me show you guys what's under the hood. That big American muscle. No big muscle during the 80s. Unfortunately. That's the fuel crisis, so we had, you know, little horsepower. But still, just love the design. This one probably still has a original factory GM 305. Unlike this one that has the 350 in it already, so this one will have more horsepower. So let's open up this hood. The factory 305. But everything's there. This thing has not been messed with. Fully stock. This is a 200 car. I'm the third owner now. And it was for, looks like it was an old couple who had it, and I don't know if the gentleman passed away, and then the widow just put the car up for auction. But you know, it's in good hands. I'll make sure to bring it back and take care of it. You know, I love these cars. So that's gonna be it for this video. Just a quick introduction to the second project, which this one's gonna be OEM. The only thing, like I said, that I might change, because I always wanted the car that I was really looking for was the 1982 Recaro edition. That's black and gold, which is the same car with same options. This actually has the rear disc brakes also, which the white one doesn't have. So this one's a fully option, pretty much Recaro edition. The only thing, this one came red and black. I always wanted the black with gold, so that might be an option later on in the future. After everything is sorted, I'm gonna just paint it black and gold with all the decals and everything, and just the inside I might leave it just charcoal. It looks fine. That's the only thing, because if I ever wanted to bring it back 100%, all I have to do is repaint it, back to red, and that's it. But as far as changing anything with the engine or anything, I'm gonna keep this one 100% stock. This one, on the other hand, I'm probably gonna get more freedom now since I have this one to make it something a little bit more custom. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna continue to work on this one, and you'll see videos on this one as well as we go along. So, and one last announcement for the E32 fans, the BMW. Unfortunately, I sold it, but it went to a good home. It was a BMW enthusiast. He was a great guy, nice guy. He came, saw the car twice actually, test drove it, and he fell in love with it. He purchased it, and I delivered it. I actually probably put a picture up of the day I left it off at his house, dropped it off at his house. And that's the last time. So you won't see no more BMW content for now here, unfortunately, but I pretty much got to where I was gonna go with that car. It was running great, everything was perfect. I just needed to, get it out and bring new projects in. So that one left and this one came in. So I'm me putting this one on the road. This one will probably be on the road quicker than this one, since this one is just all the mechanicals, sorting it out and getting it going. Will it run? I don't know. You guys check out the next video. The next video I'm gonna be pulling that Rochester out, and I'm probably gonna just take it to get rebuilt to a professional. I have rebuilt plenty of cars before, the Elderbrock Performers and all that stuff, but since these are finicky, I'm probably gonna take it to somebody that's done it before, make sure it's done correctly. It has not run since 1997. I don't even know if it turns. I have not tried to turn the engine over. I don't know if it's locked. I don't know anything right now. I'm just, what you're seeing is what I know. The only thing I did was charge the battery, and it was dead, and then I had the spare battery that I charged, threw it in there just to see if I got lights, and I got some lights working. But I haven't even turned the key because I don't want to ruin anything or damage anything. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys stick around for the other videos coming up with these cars. Hopefully we get this one on the road as soon as possible. This one I'm still going to be jumping in there. I still got to weld in the new battery tray and continue to work on that one as well. And we'll keep it moving. Again, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.